Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to apply for a no objection certificate to get a water or electricity connection in Andhra Pradesh. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com and the page Andhra Pradesh apply for no objection certificate for water and electricity. Here in this page we have given detailed procedure along with information and instructions which are useful for a new applicant to understand the procedure and complete it at ease. Also you can see few links for external websites and forms which are important for completing this procedure. You will understand the importance of these links in the due course of our presentation. Let us see the list of items covered in this session today. Need for no objection certificate for water and electricity. Documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources and other information. Today, this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the need for no objection certificate for obtaining water and electricity connection. First of all, no objection certificate, usually called as NOC in short, is a legal document issued for a purpose. For example, if somebody wanted to join a company for employment and they might require a NOC certificate from the earlier employer as a lawful manner. So this NOC is required in different areas or different field for the same purpose of getting the clearance. In similarly, today the water and electricity connection requirement for Andhra Pradesh state, a person has to obtain the NOC and he has to submit it as a document for the department to understand that there is no claim or any issues further. So in order to get this NOC, a person has to apply to the concerned authority, meaning except in cases where the NOC is being issued by an individual. An individual can be a person who is related to him for getting the property or a vehicle or something. The legal format of this certificate is brief. It differs also. There are some public limited or private limited company which has their own format. There is no objection for doing certain work or appointing someone to employment requires such a typical certificate. NOC is an important document required for the completion of application to get water and electricity connection in Andhra Pradesh. Let us see the documents required for this procedure. You need proof of identity, a ration card, Aadhaar card, recent copies of Form F and map on sketch, electoral photo, ID card or passport or PAN card or driving license, any one of these, photo, property tax receipt, proof of the ownership of the premises. If in case the applicant is a tenant, then he has to get the authentication letter from the proper owner along with the agreement of lease which he signed with them to obtain this NOC. So these are the documents required for this. Let us see how to apply for NOC with the electricity connection, with the electricity board. NOC is an important document for electricity connection in Andhra Pradesh as the department requires this document as one of the main documents. This NOC is required to clarify that the premises for which the new connection required or applied is not having any dues or any other litigation earlier which the government is required to clear or clarify with the applicant. In order to obtain NOC, one has to visit the Mandal office, that means a Tahsildar, NRO or Revenue Inspector who is applicable for their area. as per the advice. This application will then be processed. They will do their due diligence. These field level verification will be there, and upon the completion of their procedure, a report on the satisfactory level will be submitted. Then the applicant will receive a NOC from the authorities. Supply of power is given to consumers, individuals, limited partners, private company, government organization and commercial line based on these documents. Let us see how to get the NOC for obtaining water connection with the water board. This document, as I said, is required by the respective department in Andhra Pradesh. It is again a clarification about the premises which is not having any dues to be paid to the government side or any legal or litigation held for this said property. And as I said, you have to visit the Mandal office, that is a Tahsildar, MRO or RI, who are applicable for your area. So just you have to go there and you have to apply. The application will then be processed, meaning once they receive the application, then this application will be scrutinized for the details provided. They will do the ground level verification and due diligence. Once they complete the verification and the other process, a report will be generated. Based on the report, you will be issued a NOC. Eligibility: you should be the citizen of India in order to apply for this procedure, because the land will be in your name and the citizen of India has the rights to claim this NOC. Property should be in Andhra Pradesh. Those who require water supply and electricity supply for the property whose government taxes are active and are paid on time or free from any tax any tax payments which is not paid. Validity: and NOC is valid for a period of 6 months of the period mentioned by the issuing authority in Andhra Pradesh. Let us see the fees. Fees should be paid as advised by the authorities in terms of the area which they apply for. Processing time: within 1 week you will get this NOC. Offices and contacts: your local Mandal office for your district is for your area is concerned as a main office for this. The link provided below here will give you details of Mandal offices in Andhra Pradesh, because if you don't know the exact address, you can use this link and you can see the Mandal office pertaining to the area mentioned here. So based on the available link, you can choose and find your Mandal office. Go there and do this procedure. Online resources: we have just saw the online resource for the Mandal office. So this website which we have seen just now are very much important for a new applicant to understand the location of his area Mandal office. So we have provided this valuable information of this website as a link for saving your time. So you don't have to search here and there. In one click you can reach your required details and save your valuable time. Other information: in India, no objection certificate is a valuable document for getting permission or license in most of the cases. Beware, law is strict against those who dodge to follow the amendments. This video is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Hope you enjoyed hope it has provided valuable information. Please click the like button for more videos for your requirement. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to apply for a no objection certificate or what for water and electricity connection in Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.